Welcome to today's episode of our YouTube series, where we delve into Sakha's approach to MVP development, one of our core strengths. MVP, or minimum viable product, is a version of a new product that includes only the essential features needed to meet early adopters' needs and validate a concept. The primary goal of an MVP is to quickly bring a functional product to market, gather feedback, and iterate based on real-world use.
An MVP, or minimum viable product, is the simplest version of a new product that includes just enough features to meet the needs of early users and test the idea. At Sakha, we excel in creating MVPs quickly and effectively. We start by understanding the client's vision and key needs, then build interactive prototypes for early feedback. Our agile development approach allows us to build and refine the product in stages, ensuring it works well and can be scaled. We rigorously test the MVP for quality, then our clients launch it to a select group and gather feedback to make improvements. This process helps us create products for clients that meet real user needs and evolve based on their input. Our MVP process speeds up time to market by 30 to 50%, allowing clients to start engaging with users and gathering feedback much faster. MVPs also reduce development costs by 20 to 40% by focusing only on essential features. This approach leads to 60 to 70% more actionable user feedback, helping refine the product to better meet user needs. It significantly lowers the risk of failure by up to 50% and provides faster market validation.
At Sakha, we have perfected our MVP development through a well-defined process that emphasizes speed, quality, and relevance. Our journey begins with ideation and planning, where we engage in deep dives into the client's vision and objectives. During this phase, we conduct thorough ideation sessions to grasp the core problem the product aims to solve and the features essential to address this issue. Close collaboration with stakeholders is vital in this phase to ensure alignment on goals and expectations from the outset. Following ideation, we transition to rapid prototyping, where our team crafts interactive prototypes that visualize the MVP's core functionality. These prototypes allow stakeholders to interact with the concept before development officially begins, facilitating early feedback and necessary adjustments. Once the prototype receives approval, we enter the agile development phase, characterized by iterative sprints carried out by our experienced developers and designers. We prioritize delivering key functionalities first in this phase, ensuring that the product is both functional and scalable for future growth. Regular sprint reviews and feedback loops with clients enable us to stay on track and make timely adjustments to the development process. Quality assurance is paramount at Sakha, and our QA team rigorously tests the MVP to identify and resolve any potential issues. Thorough testing across various scenarios ensures that the MVP performs reliably under different conditions, meeting high standards of performance and usability. Once the MVP is thoroughly tested and refined, we collaborate with clients to plan a successful product launch. The launch involves deploying the product in a controlled environment to a select group of users, allowing us to closely monitor its performance. Gathering valuable user feedback during this phase provides insights into how the MVP is being received and where improvements are required. Post-launch, we analyze user feedback and usage data to pinpoint areas for enhancement, iterating on the MVP based on this input. Our iterative approach ensures that the product evolves in response to real-world feedback, consistently adding features and refining functionalities. To know more about our successful MVP development projects and how we can help you achieve similar results, reach out to Sakha today for a detailed discussion.
When it comes to elevating your technology strategy, Sakha is the partner you need. We are at the forefront of innovation, specializing in cutting-edge fields like AI, big data, blockchain, and the metaverse, ensuring you benefit from the latest advancements. Our custom-tailored solutions are designed specifically to meet your unique needs, delivering exceptional results and reliable performance. With a focus on collaborative partnership We work closely with you to turn your vision into reality, adapting as your goals evolve. Reach out to Sakha today and let's transform your technological challenges into opportunities for success.
Sakha's approach to MVP development emphasizes speed, collaboration, and iteration, ultimately converting concepts into successful MVPs that meet user needs effectively.